Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we're addressing a critical strategic issue for medical device manufacturers in Argentina, transferring the ownership of an ANMAT registration from a local distributor to an independent holder. This is a scenario many companies face when they want to gain more control over their commercial strategy and reduce market dependency on a single partner. Letting a distributor hold your device registration can lead to significant challenges, effectively locking you into a relationship that might limit your growth or create major disruptions if that relationship ends. The key to unlocking market flexibility is to have the registration held by an entity that operates independently of your commercial distribution, known as an Argentina Authorized Representative, or AAR. This independent holder, appointed by the manufacturer, manages the registration with ANMAT, allowing you to appoint, change, or work with multiple distributors simultaneously without jeopardizing your market authorization. The question is, how do you make the switch if your registration is already in your distributor's name? The process is formally governed by ANMAT under regulations, most notably Provision 9688, which was issued in 2019. This regulation explicitly outlines the procedures for registration transfer. The first step is to appoint a new independent AAR who will take over the registration on your behalf. This new representative will manage the application process with ANMAT. However, the most critical element of the entire process is securing the cooperation of the current registration holder, your distributor. Without their consent, a transfer is nearly impossible. Ideally, your original contract with the distributor includes a clause obligating them to cooperate with a registration transfer upon termination of your commercial agreement. If such a clause exists, the process is streamlined. If not, it becomes a matter of negotiation. Once you have a transfer agreement between the manufacturer, the old holder, and the new holder, your new AAR can submit the transfer application to ANMAT. According to the regulation, the agency's review and approval process for a transfer can take up to 50 business days. All submitted documentation must be in Spanish and meet specific legal requirements. By transferring the registration to an independent holder, you are not just changing a name on a certificate, you are taking fundamental control of your business in Argentina. It empowers you to adapt your sales channels, respond to market changes, and ensure the long-term continuity of your operations, regardless of the performance or status of any single distributor. If you need help navigating the complexities of registration transfers or any other aspect of global market access, please check out Pure Global. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.